Hey guys, today let's talk about repairs. Have you guys ever seen the price of Apple repair? It's always ridiculous. Sometimes it's better to get a new device rather than repairing it. But oh my god, Apple has taken it to another level by not allowing swapping of parts. In this case, it's the camera. From another genuine identical iPhone, coming from a company that talks about saving the environment but discourage reusing another parts. There's this video from Hugh Jeffreys. I highly recommend you check it out. Right after he swapped the camera from identical iPhone 12, the camera seems to be gone blank, non-working. And mind you, it is not other models like iPhone 12 Pro or something like that. And there is a different stabilization setting, white balance on it, anything like that. Let's just say, maybe 1 or 2 years down the road, there will be many broken iPhones in the market. And so, what do? Send it for repairs. Duh! Let's just say repair costs $400 and decided it's not worth repairing and throwing away. Is this saving the environment at all? Alright, people based, there's a lot of people who would not be throwing the phone if they decided it's not worth the repair. So, what did they do? They'll be selling their iPhones for third-party repair shop for parts. And for what? For the environment, duh! To extend the usability of the iPhone at first place. Else, why bother talking about saving the environment for the company perspective? But there will be a huge wastage when the users decided, yeah, it's not worth the repair and threw it away. And fun fact, saving the environment by making the phone easy to repair, because to be honest, making the box smaller is peanuts as compared to just using the phone for additional a year or two. This has seriously gone too far, Apple. I was really hoping that other manufacturers wouldn't be following suit. Am I saying don't get an iPhone just because Apple is anti-repair? No, I believe most of the users won't be needing any repairs at all. But for those who did, good luck for getting extra cash. That is if you want to repair at all. Or maybe Apple will fix this long because I don't know, maybe in the future this video will be stupid ones as a solution, but in the meantime it's pure bullshit. And I'm not 100% optimistic about the direction that Apple brings in the repairability section. But look guys, if you need to justify the reason for Apple to do this, okay, whatever. As long as you want, it's your money. You can do whatever the hell you want with it. So guys, let me know down below in the comment what do you think about this implementation. Was it good? Was it bad? Does it affect you at all? And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.